Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about cigars. Cigars are a type of tobacco product that is made from rolled tobacco leaves. They are typically smoked for pleasure and can be found in a variety of shapes, sizes, and flavors. The production of cigars is a complex process that begins with the cultivation of tobacco. Tobacco plants are grown in a variety of climates around the world, and the specific type of tobacco used in a cigar will affect its flavor. Once the tobacco is harvested, it is cured and fermented. The curing process allows the tobacco to develop its flavor, and the fermentation process helps to mellow it out. After the tobacco has been cured and fermented, it is then rolled into cigars. The process of rolling a cigar is a skilled one, and it takes many years to become an expert cigar roller. The leaves of tobacco are first sorted by size and color, and then they are rolled together into a cylinder. The cigar is then wrapped in a wrapper leaf, which can be of a different color or flavor than the filler leaves. Once the cigar has been rolled, it is then placed in a humidor to age. The humidor is a controlled environment that helps to keep the cigar moist and prevent it from drying out. The aging process can last for several months or even years, and it helps to develop the flavor of the cigar. Cigars are a popular smoking product around the world, and they can be enjoyed by people of all ages. However, it is important to note that cigars are addictive, and they can be harmful to your health. If you are considering smoking cigars, it is important to weigh the risks and benefits carefully. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. Until next time, happy smoking.